Imagine for a moment you had a great childhood, an exciting youth, an amazing marriage, professional and financial success. You have everything in your life except one thing: strong relationship with your children. Now think about it. Will you be happy with this exception? This is Madhvi Dongre, and today I'm going to be sharing with you three amazing secrets on how to build strong relationship with your children. Every one of us here has observed some point in their life that some parents have a very close relationship with their children, very close, while others do not have the same kind of relationship with their children. Why? Why is this happening? We will get the answer to this why in these three secrets. Before revealing the first secret, let me ask you one simple question. Do you know when your child talks the most? You must have guessed that he talks the most when he's with his friends. So don't you think if you become their friend, they will communicate more with you? So the simple thing here is, if you communicate with them like friends, they will become your friends. And what does being friend with your child mean? It would mean that there is no distance between you. They would share all of their secrets with you. They would never hide their mistakes from you. So the very first secret is communicate with your child like a friend. Now let me ask you the second question. Do you know when your child is the happiest? Well, there are three answers to this. When he's playing, either watching TV, bedtime stories, or anything that he likes to do. So the second secret is spending quality time with your children. And what does quality time mean here? It means doing those things which your children like to do. You should be interested in their activities and value them. Be their partners in the games. Watch TV shows which they like to watch, like cartoons. And according to me, the very important thing in quality time is bedtime stories. When you read bedtime stories to your children, they connect with you in a better way, and you connect with them in a better way. It creates a bond of love. Now let me ask you again one simple question. What is the closest relationship in this whole world? You might have already guessed. It's quite simple. It is that of a mother and her child. The mother uses a secret power due to which she is the closest to her child. She uses this power from the very birth of the child, because of which she is the closest to the child. And that is, my friend, the power of a loving touch. This magic touch of a mother brings him out of any kind of difficulty and instantly gives him or her calm. So what you have to do here is you have to regularly hug your child. You have to express your love with that power of touch. Whenever they fail, you should rub their back saying it's okay. The touch works. It really works. And on their success, you should be patting their shoulders. It gives more emphasis of your appreciation towards their hard work. Kissing on the forehead at bedtime every night is very powerful. A mother uses this regularly to calm and love her child every day. This very power of a loving touch creates a bond beyond comprehension. The last few minutes, I have shared with you three absolutely amazing secrets to build strong relationship with your children. The first, communicate like a friend. Second, spend quality time with them. Indulge in activities that they like to do and be their partners. The third, power of a loving touch. If you apply these 3 secrets, it will take your relationship with your child to another level. Thank you.